Understanding cash flow in real estate investing. You wake up every morning and you're not worried about bills. You're not stressed about making ends meet. Why? Because you've cracked the code to cash flow through real estate investing. Sounds like a dream, right? But what if I told you that dream could be your reality? I know, it sounds too good to be true, but trust me, it's not. In the next 10 minutes, we're diving deep into one of the most critical, yet often misunderstood concepts in real estate investing: cash flow. Stick with me until the end, and I'll show you how this knowledge can set you on the path to financial freedom, and how avoiding this can keep you stuck in the hamster wheel forever. 1. Introduction to cash flow. Cash flow. Two simple words, but don't let that simplicity fool you. Understanding cash flow could mean the difference between making a fortune or losing your shirt. So what exactly is cash flow? Let's break it down. Cash flow is the money you earn from your rental property after all the expenses are paid. Think rent payments, minus your mortgage, taxes, maintenance, and insurance. It's the leftover cash that you get to keep, the lifeblood of your investments. It's what keeps you in the game. Now, why does this matter? If you have positive cash flow, it's like having a money-making machine that runs itself. But what happens if you don't? Let me tell you, negative cash flow can drain you fast. It's like trying to fill a bathtub with the drain open. 2. The risks of not understanding cash flow. Let's talk about the real risks here. And yes, I said risks, because investing in real estate without understanding cash flow is like jumping into the deep end without knowing how to swim. Imagine you've bought your first property. It's looking good, right? You're excited, you've got tenants moving in, everything's going according to plan. But then, bam, a repair bill hits. The water heater breaks, the plumbing needs fixing, the roof leaks, and guess what? Your rental income doesn't even cover it. You're now dipping into your own pockets just to keep things afloat. This happens way more often than you think. In fact, 62% of real estate investors say they've experienced negative cash flow at some point. So, what do? You stop buying, you stop growing, and worst of all, you stop believing in the power of real estate investing altogether. And that's a dangerous mindset to fall into. 3. How to master cash flow and build wealth. Now, let's turn the page. What if I told you there's a way to make sure your cash flow always works in your favor? That's right. With the right strategy, you can turn real estate investing into a passive income powerhouse. Here's how. First up, do your homework. Research markets thoroughly. Not every city is going to be a cash flow king. Focus on areas with growing job markets, good schools, and strong rental demand. These are the places where you want to buy. Second, leverage financing to your advantage. Many new investors think they have to use all their own cash. Not true. Get creative with financing, whether it's through conventional loans, partnerships, or even seller financing. Leverage your way into positive cash flow. Third, keep your expenses low. Don't get lazy with property maintenance or let unnecessary costs slip through the cracks. Focus on minimizing vacancies, keeping your tenants happy, and maintaining a lean operation. Every dollar saved is a dollar you can put back into your pocket. Now, here's the big question. What happens if your cash flow just isn't enough? Well, don't worry, because I'm about to share a little-known trick that can supercharge your cash flow. You'll want to stick around for this. It's a game changer. But first, let's wrap up the basics. Cash flow isn't just a number on a spreadsheet. It's your freedom. It's what allows you to live the life you dream of, without the constant grind. So don't let fear of the unknown hold you back. Arm yourself with knowledge, take action, and watch your wealth grow. Now, Remember that trick I promised you? If you're serious about skyrocketing your cash flow and fast-tracking your wealth, hit that subscribe button, drop a comment below, and let's dive into how you can put all this into action. See you in the next video, where I'll show you exactly what to do next. Trust me, you won't want to miss it.